tell you about the Nature Shack. The Nature Shack.
I'm so scared.
Now this is crazy. Now you want to talk about a true green product? The Nature Shack is a true green product. Now this is crazy. Covered front porch, skylights. The Nature Shack. Look up there, the loft and the skylight. Fantastic. The government's saying, come up with green products. Come on, we want to start this new green economy. It's a 12 by 12 shelter with a loft, skylight, a covered porch, a greenhouse, and a sauna. Solar power. The Nature Shack. Fantastic. Now this is crazy. Solar